We begin this evening with a developing story. The police high command and the hierarchy of the Jamaica Defense Force are probing a suspected international drug operation involving several members of the country's security forces.
The investigation follows the arrest of an inspector of police attached to the counterterrorism and organized crime branch and two members of the military during an anti-narcotics operation yesterday along Moore Street in Kingston 4.
A large quantity of cocaine was seized in the operation. More in this report from Prince Moore.
According to the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division, FNID, the inspector was arrested on reasonable suspicion of breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. It's reported that about 7:10 yesterday evening, a team from the FNID acted on information that vehicles parked along a section of Moore Street were being used in illegal drug activity. On arrival of the police team, the suspect was observed among other patrons. The police requested a search of the three vehicles, including the suspects. Searches were conducted on two of the vehicles. Their owners were identified as a member of the Jamaica Defense Force and a mechanic. However, the policeman reportedly refused to give the police team access to his vehicle. The FNID says a senior officer was called to the scene, and on her arrival, the suspect reportedly informed her that cocaine was inside his vehicle. All three vehicles were secured and subsequently towed to the FNID headquarters, where the suspect's vehicle was opened and searched in his presence. 5 rectangular parcels wrapped in masking tape and clear plastic, each containing a white powdery substance resembling cocaine with an estimated weight of 5.8 kilograms or 12.5 pounds with a street value of more than $30 million were found in a white plastic bag. A secondary operation was conducted at the suspect's residence. However, nothing illegal was found. Members of CTOC and the fraud squad have been left in shock as the inspector has a long track record of being a professional member of the JCF.
The JDF, in a report this afternoon, says it's fully cooperating with the police to ensure a comprehensive and transparent resolution of the matter.